Good morning, guys. I am feeling not so fresh right now. I've just got off my flight from Chicago. If you watched my last vlog, you'll have seen us at the airport. So I landed about an hour and a half ago. Mike's gone home and I am in London. Look how red my eyes look. It's not a good look. I've just got to the Rosewood Hotel, which is beautiful. I'm actually staying in London for a few days with the lovely Jo Malone team for a very special event that they're throwing. I'm going to talk about that more tomorrow, but I've just checked in to my hotel room. I thought I would just say hello to you all before I head off to pick up River. I'm so excited to see her. So she's going to be staying in London with me for the next few days, and then my mum's coming down tomorrow to help me look after her in between doing stuff with Jo Malone, because I really wanted to do this trip but I couldn't leave her for any longer. I've been away for 4 days and I've missed her so much. I'm so excited to see her. She's currently on the train. She's coming down with Mike's mum and Mike's sister from Yorkshire, and I'm just about to head off to go and meet them. And yeah, I'll probably check in with you guys tomorrow because I think I'm super tired today and I'm gonna have my hands full looking after River. I can barely speak. I need a few coffees and some breakfast, to be honest with you, but yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow, and I'm just gonna have a nice afternoon in this beautiful hotel room with my little girl. It's actually very cool. They've set up a little cot for her and everything. She's got a little teddy bear. I'm not entirely sure what's in there, but it looks cute. And a little blanket, a towel, nappy bin and everything. Super organised. And then I've also got a lovely note from Jo Malone saying, welcome to school. Look at this. Oh, there's a London guide as well. And should we open this box? This looks divine. From NPL. How do we get into it? This is stuck down. Oh, there we go. Oh my goodness. Beautiful scarf. Amazing. Right, I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. Welcome to my extremely early morning. I woke up at about 4:30 because Riv here, woke up and wanted to feed, and then I just couldn't get back to sleep, and she fell asleep in my bed next to me. And I was like, well, I guess I'm up. Yeah. Anyway, it's now 6 o'clock. We're having breakfast on the floor in the hotel room. Riv thinks it's great. We had, she thinks, who am I talking to? We had such a nice day yesterday, just chilling out together. She now wants my attention. Right. See? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Is that you? So anyway, we are just chilling, and we're gonna have a nice little morning together, and then my mum's actually coming down to take her for the morning whilst I'm doing some stuff with Jo Malone. Then I'm speaking on a panel at lunchtime, and then we're gonna play in the afternoon. So yeah, I've got a busy day ahead, so hopefully, I think I'll probably need a bit of coffee because these eye bags not getting any better. All right, let's play. This is how we roll these days. Excellent. This morning has been a little bit of a whirlwind. River is definitely teething, and it's not a very happy baby. My mummy's here. She is pushing the buggy. She's in charge. And I am off to the school of Jo Malone. It's very dark in this corridor. Sorry, guys. So we've just arrived, guys, in these amazing taxis. It's the most beautiful day in London, and we're coming. It's the start of the school trip. Hello. Oh my God, guys. We're in the Jo Malone arcade. This is like my dream arcade machine with Jo Malone boxes. It literally couldn't get any better. They have, I don't even know what these are normally 2p machines, but Jo Malone style. Amazing. Guys, what? This is the first one. This is, but that's not fair. Yay! So oh my God, professional. We've come to the Grenadier to learn how to pull a traditional English pint, and there's a guardsman in the pot. It's not real guardsman. We've got the most beautiful looking lunchtime Bloody Mary. What a treat. Guys, we've got Jack and Jake behind the bar, and they're going to teach us how to pull a pint. Although, I'm going with Carl, you're blatantly going to win this competition. I prefer to drink this. So apparently this pub is haunted by a ghost that needs to pay off some debts. I don't think he needs to pay off his debts anymore because there's a lot of money been left here for him. So we're writing, the tradition is to write on your note and stick it to the ceiling. So that is what we're doing. Well, hello guys, you're looking at a professional bike filler right here. I'm now in a car on my way to a panel. I'm speaking on a panel today at a marketing event all about social media and what I do. And yeah, I just can't believe how beautiful the day it is. It's one of those days, I mean this is probably not a good example on Euston Road, but it's one of those days where you just realise how gorgeous London is. I genuinely think in the sun, there's no better city in the whole world. I really, really love London in sunshine. It's gorgeous. Good evening, guys. It's been a little bit of time since I last saw you because I finished the panel, went really well, got back to my mum and Rivs and just chilled out with them, had a really nice afternoon hanging out, and then did bath time, bedtime, and it was all a little bit hectic because Riv is teething and she's not very happy about it, but I am now out for dinner in the most stunning place. We're in Kettner's, which I haven't been into since they've redone it, and I wanted to show you the table settings because they are so divine and it smells so divine in here. Look how absolutely beautiful this is. Just gorgeous. Good morning guys. So it is the second day of my Jo Malone school event thing. I feel like it's a trip, but it's in London, so it doesn't feel like a trip. I've just dropped Mum and River off on Oxford Street. They're gonna have a little mooch about and get a coffee this morning because I've got some classes which I'm really excited for, because apparently I have a feeling, they haven't told us too much, but I have a feeling we're gonna be learning to make our own candles. And this is just, it's just my kind of activity. I'm such a geek. I've got my stripy school shirt and my team badge on. I actually look like I'm going back to school. I love it. It's like a prefect blazer or something. And yeah, I'm a little bit late. You know what? They were supposed to be picking us up in taxis this morning at the hotel. And I was like, oh no, I really want to walk with River. It's her nap time around about then, so we can walk, I should go to sleep. River had other ideas, so we've ended up being super late and having to get a taxi anyway, but just half an hour later than everybody else left. So I'm hoping we'll still get there. Well, we should still get there on time. It's supposed to be there in 5 minutes. We're nearly there. So yeah, it's been a little bit of a hectic morning, and I feel like I don't really, because I don't talk too much about kind of mum life and all that kind of stuff on here. Like sometimes it can probably seem like, oh yeah, it's really easy just juggling baby and doing all this stuff for work and travel and everything. It's not. It's really not. River this morning was hard work. Like, she just is at that age where if I'm there, she wants to follow me around or be with me or have me holding her all the time. Apparently as soon as I'm not there, she's absolutely dreamy and doesn't whinge, doesn't cry or anything. But if I'm there and I'm not holding her, she's like mum at me. So it makes it really, really hard, like to get ready or to do anything else whilst I'm there. And obviously when you're staying in a hotel room, you can't go in the other room, so she doesn't know you're there. She knows you're there all the time. So it was a bit of a hectic morning, but I'm looking forward to it this morning. I've actually almost arrived, so I will see you in a bit. Oh my god, look at this guys, the proper classroom. I want to sit at the front like a geek. Got an apple for snacks. I think there's some goodies in here.
You might see some of the wax build up on the sides, and you just want to make sure that you get that really crisp and clean.
Everybody has a seat, and when it started I was like, what is this noise? Basically it sucks almost. They put a needle and it's gonna capture the scent that you have here.
We're currently learning how to wrap and pack the perfect Jo Malone box.
All around.
And we've got all of their Christmas wrapping that isn't out yet, and it's amazing. I've always wanted to know how to do this.
Perfect. Then we're going to take our second piece of video.
School is out for the afternoon, guys, and I'm now on my way back to meet Mum and Riv for some lunch and spend the afternoon with them, and then I will check back in again with you guys for dinner tonight. There's something really cool for dinner, I can't wait. But yeah, I had such a fun morning, literally learning how to decorate and wrap and probably like do all the tissue and everything in Jo Malone boxes. It's like a dream come true for me. I'm the biggest wrapping geek. It's like my favourite thing about Christmas, wrapping all the presents. Loved it. Good evening guys, we are now, Mum's here, on the evening buggy pushing mission. I just got ready for dinner. In case you can't tell, I'm wearing a different outfit and jazzed up my makeup a little bit. And the little one is about to go to sleep, so we're just taking her on a little walk. Help her drift off. Have you had a nice day playing?
We've had a lovely
shopping.
Bugsy and I have shopped.
And I am now heading off. I'm going to do a few laps, hopefully she'll go to sleep. At the moment her eyes are like this. Hopefully she will head off to sleep, and I am going to the Jo Malone pub quiz. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm so competitive. I think we're gonna win it. I think we're gonna win it. We also found the road that all the Jo Malone taxis are hanging out on when they're not taking us places. Amazing, hiding around the corner. Come to the Albion are we in Islington? Angel area. How cute is this pub?
I am Matt, your quizmaster, and co-hosting with me today is the beautiful Wangina! Round one is the picture round, where you will join your two pictures together to create a Jo Malone frame.
We're gonna win this.
So,
First challenge guys, making a London landmark out of Play-Doh. Marble Arch guys, it's pretty convincing. We've got the London Eye, we've got Big Ben, Houses of Parliament, we've got my Marble Arch which is falling down, London Bus. That's impressive, Carl.
Thank you.
Nice work, nice work.
I like the hashtag ad.
Hashtag ad the roses, we're gonna win.
Yeah.
There's a taxi, the Shard, magnificent. Carl's representing.
Just breathe, just breathe.
Come on, Carl, you can do it. More head.
let's take a look at roses. Let's put it on the bar.
Yes.
Get out of my pub.
Reading the results now.
Oh.
I think they're going to put a second, but I think we should be first.
Controversially, no, we have a tie.
What? No!
It is a bonus round tiebreak question. The 10th of October, what was the population of Great?
Oh man! Oh my god, so I just came to edit that video and realised I never finished it because I never vlogged the end of the pub quiz. We didn't win. Probably why I didn't vlog it, I'm not gonna lie. No, it was actually super fun. I just forgot to finish it. I thought I finished it and I didn't. And then I obviously couldn't vlog when I got back to the hotel room that night because River was asleep and she was in the same room, and so it was like lights off and me and Mum were like whispering, so I didn't finish the vlog. So I just thought I would come on here and say thanks for watching and thanks to Jo Malone for an awesome couple of days. I had such a good time. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys haven't already seen my Chicago vlog that's going up before this, then go and check it out. And there's also another vlog which will be up the day after this goes live. So keep your eyes peeled for that and I will see you then. Bye!